Hello everyone, this is Sadhna once again for Social Science. In this video, we will continue with the life of people living in the Peninsular Plateau. Maharashtra. The capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. Maharashtra is located in the northwestern part of the Peninsular Plateaus. Mumbai is the most important trading center of our country. And do you know that it is also called the financial capital of India? And Mumbai is India's busiest seaport. Here, the main occupation of people is agriculture. They mainly grow wheat, jawar, bajra, pulses, oilseeds, sugarcane and cotton. A variety of fruits like oranges, grapes, bananas and mangoes are also grown here. Many industries like textiles, machines, automobiles and electrical goods are located here. The main languages spoken are Marathi, Konkani, Gujarati, Hindi and English. The man wear dhoti kurta and a cap, and the women wear sari in Marathi style. Ganesh Chaturthi, Navratri, Holi, Diwali, Eid and Christmas are the main festivals. Tamasha and Lavani are some popular folk dances of the state. Do you know that Mumbai is famous for Hindi film industry? The Hindi film industry is popularly called Bollywood. The Ajanta and Ellora caves are famous tourist attractions. Nagpur, Pune, Sholapur, Nasik and Aurangabad are among the other major cities of Maharashtra. Our next state is Odisha. The capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. Odisha lies partially in the eastern coastal plains and partially in the peninsular plateaus. Mahanadi and Indravati are the main rivers flowing through the state. Agriculture is the main occupation of people. They mainly grow rice, cotton and jute. Odisha also has huge mineral resources. Some of the major minerals are iron, coal, bauxite and chromite. Some of the industries present in Odisha are iron and steel plants, aluminium, and textile mills. Odia is the main language spoken here, and Odissi dance of the state is very famous. The main tourist attractions of the state are the Chilika Lake, the Jagannath Temple in Puri, and the Sun Temple in Konark. The Jagannath Rath Yatra held in July every year in Puri is famous all over the country. The major cities of the state are Cuttack, Rourkela, Bhadrak, and Puri. The next state is Andhra Pradesh. The capital of the state is Amravati. Andhra Pradesh is located in the eastern part of the Peninsular Plateau. In 2014, a new state, Telangana, was carved out of Andhra Pradesh. It has been decided that Hyderabad, which now falls in Telangana, will remain the capital of both the states for 10 years since the partition of the state. However, the government of Andhra Pradesh has decided to develop Amravati, which is located near Vijayawada, as its capital. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people living here. The main crops grown here are rice, jawar, tobacco, sugarcane, groundnut, ragi, and oilseeds. Many industries have developed in the state, which include iron and steel, shipbuilding, cement, silk, and handloom. Telugu, Urdu, and English are the main languages spoken here. Kuchipudi is the most popular dance form of the state. Men like to wear dhoti shirt and women wear sari here. The Lord Venkateshwara Temple in Tirupati is one of the most important religious centers in India, is located here.